Hey everyone, I am Subha and in today's video I am going to talk about a really important factor that will decide if your book will sell or not. And most KDP publishers and beginners don't know this and their books don't sell. To help you out, I have created this video. I am going to talk about the algorithm's number one goal. What is the number one goal of Amazon algorithm? Secondly, I will talk about why it's not picking up your books. Why it is picking up other people's books and not yours. I will discuss this in details. And thirdly, how to make it work for you to get more book sales. So let's get started and talk about the algorithm's number one goal. The algorithm's number one goal is to convert browsers into buyers. So this is their number one goal. To explain this further, it actually works to end the browser's buying journey. People come to Amazon to buy products. The same is true for books. They search for and they come to your book listing to buy it. So this is their number one priority. Then they want to save their time, give them the right type of book within minimum time. They also want to help them make right buying decisions. They don't want their customers to buy the wrong book or the books they are not looking for. And lastly, they want them to come back and buy more books. They also want them to buy more books in one order. This is how algorithm works. It wants people to purchase books. It wants them to come back and buy more books. It wants to help them. It wants to save their time. Now you know how it works. Now let's talk about why it's not picking up your books and it is preferring other people's books. So why it is not picking up your books? The number one reason the Amazon's algorithm is not picking up your book is your book has a low conversion rate. The conversion rate is the rate at which people are buying your book. For example, 100 people click on your book listing and one of them buy, then your conversion rate would be 1%. And if 100 people look at your book listing and 10 people buy, your conversion rate would be 10%. A book that has a higher conversion rate, the algorithm prefer that book and it will push it to help it make more sales because it is giving the customer what they want. It's turning the browsers into buyers, it's saving their time and it's giving them the right option. So your book is not converting a browser into buyer. The people are leaving your book's page too early. They prefer other books over yours. So this is why your books are not selling. Whenever you publish a new book, Amazon's algorithm push it organically to make some tests during the first 30 days based on your book's metadata. If your book's conversion rate is lower, it will be pushed down to the bottom of the search results and it will not get sales. So what is the solution? How to make it work for you to get more sales? So let's discuss this. You need to create a book that people can't resist. It has a high quality cover. It should have a high quality book interior. Your book should be actually good. It should actually match the searcher's intent. For example, if a customer is searching for a coloring book for toddlers, your book's cover and your book's title and this description should actually portray the book interior and the type of book they are looking for. If your book's cover is good but your book's description is not optimized and if your book's A+ content is also not optimized, then the customer will not buy this and your book will fail to convert a browser into a buyer. How you can make your book work for the algorithm to get more sales? You need to create a high quality cover, you need to create a high quality interior, then you should publish A+ content that should be high quality and it should use same color scheme as your book cover has. Then you should optimize your book title, subtitle and description to match the book interior and the book cover. Then lastly, your book should have at least some reviews to make sales. Initially your book will not have some reviews, but you can use some books websites or you can first publish an ebook and make it live for free and grab some reviews. Reviews play a role in the long-term success of your books. But initially, your book cover and your book title and description and A+ content. These four elements will decide. On top of that, your book pricing is also important. Now you know what's the algorithm number one goal, why it's not picking up your books. Lastly, I shared how you can hack the algorithm and make it work for your books. If you like the video, do give this a thumbs up and also thanks for watching. See you in the next video.